2020, McLaren set out to build the most advanced road car in its history. A spiritual successor to the legendary McLaren F1, the Speedtail wasn't just about straight-line speed. It was about reimagining what a hypercar could be in the 21st century. Just like the F1, the Speedtail features a 3-seat layout with the driver sitting dead center, vertical dihedral doors, and a lightweight carbon fiber tub. But where the F1 made to do with a naturally aspirated V12, the Speedtail delivers its performance with a hybrid system, producing over 1,000 horsepower. Only 106 were built, matching the F1's original production run. It's exclusive, it's advanced, and just about unlike anything else you'd see on the road.
With Borro, you can unlock the equity in your classic or luxury vehicle without selling it. With over a decade of experience, more than $1 billion in loans funded, and 25,000 satisfied clients, Borro is the trusted choice for liquidity when you need it most. Visit Borro.com to learn more.
Every surface of this Speedtail is designed for minimal drag, and if you look at the body, it stretches longer than any McLaren that came before it. The Speedtail has a very teardrop-like silhouette. It's fluid, it has those uninterrupted lines. It's also very aerodynamic. If you see those speed covers that are on the wheels, it definitely looks quite futuristic. It has retractable camera pods, and something that's very unique is those flexible rear ailerons molded into the rear clamshell. That's the kind of thing that you see on an airplane. This one is chassis number 85, and it's nicknamed Valentina. The paint that you see it is called Fresno Valentina Violet. It's almost like a deep purple, but when the light shines directly on it, it looks killer. If this was mine, I'd spec it the exact same way. It's paired with those gloss black lightweight wheels, you've got the black brake calipers, and exposed gloss carbon fiber accents that you can see on the front aero covers and on the roof scoop. This thing behind me is powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out 723 horsepower. It gets an additional 312 horsepower from its Formula E-derived electric motor, bringing the total vehicle output to over 1,000 horsepower. Okay, so talking top speed for this thing, it's a staggering 250 miles an hour. It does have a thing called velocity mode, which is going to drop the ride height by 1.4 inches. What that's going to do is basically reconfigure the active aerodynamics. It's going to retract the side view cameras and just give maximum aero efficiency. The battery power system, hailed at the time as the most power dense ever used in a production car, is cooled and insulated using advanced dielectric technology. The inside, this thing continues to impress. The cabin is trimmed in full vintage tan aniline leather, extending across the seats, the headliner, the kick panels, and you can see it on the door sills. It does have a custom color match stitching and launch pattern quilting, which just make it very, very bespoke. From what we can see on the interior, you'll notice it looks pretty dang futuristic. You've got those 3 screens that run along the dash, you've got the switch gear. This vehicle has a total of $180,000 worth of bespoke options. And if you look up at the roof scoop, that alone costs $112,000. Valentina, chassis 85, was delivered new to McLaren Scottsdale in February of 2021, and it's remained in collector-grade condition with just 71 miles from new. It has all the service and inspections that have been carried out exclusively by McLaren dealerships in Scottsdale and Newport Beach. But more importantly, it is eligible for US import and use under the federal show or display regulations, making it legal to own and enjoy in the States despite its extreme performance. This McLaren Speedtail pushes boundaries in every direction. There's only 106 that were made, and from the MSO spec, ultra low miles, the pristine condition, the paint that we have it in, this thing kind of represents the edge of what's possible on 4 wheels. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Remember, if you're in the market for a collector car, going over to our website, classiccars.com. That's our online marketplace with over 38,000 listings live on the site. And you can't forget about our sister website, Auto Hunter. That's going to be our 7-day online auction. Thank you guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.